respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to wish you a very happy 79th Independence Day. I am Rishikesh. I am studying in 4th standard in Karthik Public School. I am here to speak few words about the great freedom fighter Krantiveera Sangolli Rayana. Krantiveera Sangolli Rayana was born on 15th August 1798 in Sangolli. He was a trusted army leader in the kingdom of Kitturu. He worked under the guidance of Kitturu Rani Channamma. Even today, Sangolli Rana is remarkable for his courage. His mother was Kenchava and his father was Baramappa Roganavar. He got the title as Krantiveera, which means a good and great leader. Even today, at last, we are so proud that he is from our state, Karnataka. Jai Hind, thank you for giving me this opportunity.